Welcome back. Let's find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f. F of x is equal to cube root of ln of x at the point where x is e. The first thing I want to do is find the y coordinate of the point on the graph of f corresponding to this x value. So let's label x1, let's label e to be x1, and then the corresponding y value would be labeled as y1. So how do I find y1? y1 would be f of e, and f of e is a cube root of ln of e, and ln of e is 1, so we get 1. So then we have the point e comma 1. Okay, the next thing we want to do is find the derivative of f because we need that to find the slope at this point. So what is the derivative of f? So f of x is ln of x to the power 1/3. So by the chain rule, notice that here this is a composition where ln of x is the inside and x to the power 1/3 is the outside. So again, you look at this function, you wish ln of x was just an x, because then you just have x to the 1/3, and we can find the derivative of that by using the chain rule. So if you take the derivative of the outside, you get 1/3 x to the 1/3 minus 1, and then you replace x by ln of x, and then you multiply by the derivative of ln of x. So the derivative would be 1/3 ln of x to the power 1/3 minus 1, which is negative 2/3, multiplied by the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x. So now, what's the slope of the tangent line to the graph of f at this point? Well, the slope would be f prime of e. And okay, so before I get there, let me slow down a bit here. So I'm rewriting the derivative as so here 3 and x will be in the denominator, and ln of x to the negative 2/3 can be written as 1 over ln of x to the positive 2/3. So we want to now evaluate this at e. So this would be 1 over 3e ln of e to the 2/3. ln of e is 1, so you get 1 over 3e as the slope. All right, so we have the point, we have the slope, so we can find the so now we can find the equation of the tangent line. So it'll be y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. y1 is 1, x1 is e, m is 1 over 3e. And we just need to simplify that. So y minus 1 is 1 over 3ex minus 1/3, which is y is equal to 1 over 3ex plus 2/3, because we are adding 1 on both sides. Okay, so that's the equation of the tangent line. All right, so here's one more example. So again, we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the function f, which is x squared times 1 minus x to the 4 at the point x is equal to 2. Once again, we will label x1 is we will label 2 by x1, then the corresponding y coordinate would be y1, which would be equal to f of 2, and f of 2 is 2 squared 1 minus 2 to the 4, which is equal to 4. So we got the point 2 comma 4. We want to find the derivative of the we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f at the point 2, 4. The slope of the tangent line would be the derivative of f evaluated at 2. So let's find the derivative. The function f is a product, so you have to apply the product rule. So by the product rule, I multiply, I take the derivative of the first factor, which is 2x, multiplied by the second factor as it is, plus the first factor as it is, multiplied by the derivative of the second factor. The derivative of the second factor by the general power rule or by the chain rule, it is 4 1 minus x to the 3 multiplied by the derivative of 1 minus x, which is negative 1. So this is 2x 1 minus x to the 4 minus 4x squared times 1 minus x cubed, which is equal to, so we are factoring out 2x, then I get 1 minus x to the 4 minus, if I factor out 2x, I get 2x out of here times 1 minus x cubed. So this is the derivative we got, and so notice that I can further factor out 1 minus x to the 3, and if I factor out 1 minus x to the 3, then I have 1 minus x minus 2x, and within the brackets I have 1 minus 3x then. So this is what we end up with as the derivative. Now the slope would be f prime of 2, and this is 2 times 2 times 1 minus 2 cubed times 1 minus 3 times 2, and if we simplify that out, we get 4 minus 1 cubed times minus 5, which is positive 20. Okay, so that's the slope. We got the point, we know the slope, so the equation of the tangent line would be y minus y1 is equal to fm times x minus x1, which is y minus 4 is 20 times x minus 2. So we get y minus 4 is equal to 20x minus 40, and so we get y is 20x minus 36. And that's it. So this is the end of this slides, and that's the end of my discussion on the chain rule.